Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about a Rolex Datejust 41 with a black dial, diamond hour markers, all on white gold and steel with a Jubilee bracelet, model number 126334. This case, as denoted in its name, is 41 millimeters in diameter, finger to thumb, and is made of both oyster steel and white gold for exceptional strength, durability, along with beauty and elegance in equal measure. The architecture is a monoblock middle case with a screw-down case back and winding crown to ensure waterproofness down to 100 meters or 330 feet. This bezel right here is the fluted style, capable of attracting attention from anywhere in the room with its textured look and practical legacy. Originally, it was made for the function of screwing the bezel physically onto the case to ensure the waterproofness. Over time, because of modern inventions, it simply just became an aesthetic element, and today it's a mark of distinction so that you know when you see this fluted bezel that it is indeed a Rolex. Now, we can also demonstrate the winding crown on this. So after we examine the dial on here is a black dial, very, very dark for that high contrast that you can see, contrasting with those very beautiful shining diamonds as hour markers. Now, also notice that there is a date window at the 3 o'clock position and the Rolex crown at the 12 o'clock position. All the others are set diamonds within 18 karat gold markers. Very elaborate, and just so that you know, in order to set the time and date, simply unwind the crown. So the first position, so you can wind the watch. The second position allows you to change the date on the watch. Rotating it clockwise pushes the date forward with about a quarter turn to set the date forward by one more day. Very simple. Pull out to the final position and notice that the seconds hand has actually stopped so that you can then adjust the minute hand for precise timekeeping. All right, press the crown back in and wind it tightly against the case to ensure that superior water resistance. Now, the movement that allows all of this to happen is the caliber 3235, made in-house by Rolex, and it is a perpetual, mechanical, and self-winding movement with a plus or minus 2 second per day time differential, exceeding Swiss standards of timekeeping. It allows for the instant date setting with the rapid setting and stop seconds for precise time setting, as I had just demonstrated. The oscillator is a parachrome blue hairspring in silicon with patented geometry, and it is complete with high performance Paraflex shock absorbers. It is a bidirectional, self-winding via perpetual rotor, so you can effectively wind the watch simply by wearing it. The natural movements of your wrist will keep it wound and replenish a 70-hour power reserve. And if you need to set it down on a Friday evening, you can pick it back up on a Monday morning, and it will be keeping time just fine. The bracelet on this model is the Jubilee style bracelet. The 3 links in the middle made of white gold, or white Rolzor rather. That is Rolex's own proprietary blend of white gold and other metals to make it very, very shiny and very strong. These outer links, the 1st and 5th links, are also in oyster steel, their own version of steel for that strength, durability, and exceptional shine along the sides, satin finish on the top. The clasp is the typical oyster folding clasp. Simply lift the top to undo it, and there you go. All right, and it also has that Easy Link 5mm extension. Here it is closed, and simply opening it, you just need to pull it out, and there you go. Extra 5mm, depending on your wrist size. That changes throughout the day based on your hydration. So we can try this one on for a moment, and I can give you some more thoughts on this. Now, granted, this is a 41mm dial, meaning that the watch is definitely made for men and people with larger wrists. Notice that my wrist is 7.25 to 7.5 inches in circumference, and therefore there's a little bit of overhang because, well, it is a rather large watch. But that's not to say that it isn't stylish, because certainly with the Jubilee style links, it gives it a really comfortable feel. It feels very nice on the wrist. The weight distribution is actually quite pretty close to right underneath the watch case, and so it feels rather balanced. And no fear of long sleeves or suit threads damaging the crystal due to the scratch-resistant sapphire on top. Everything slides very nicely over. So who is this watch for? Well, certainly for anyone who is looking to upgrade their older Datejusts to something, say, of a bigger size, or even having this particular hour marker configuration. Granted, these diamonds do not actually glow in the dark, but in any lighting situation, they shine with a radiance that's just unparalleled. Any angle, you can still see them. As opposed to, say, Roman numeral hour markers, you kind of have to see them in the right light to read them. All right, so what do you think about this watch? Is this watch just a little too big for you, or, you know, maybe it's just right? Let us know down in the comments below. If you like this video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. And if you want this or any other watch, be sure to put in your order at jazztime.com. Links in the description below.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.